Back to another video. Today we have free 6 amp hour FlexVolt battery with the purchase of a toolkit combo from DeWalt. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. Yes, I know that I just made a video about the other deal. Somehow they changed the links and stuff like that. So the link didn't work on my other previous Acme tool deal, so I updated the links. The deals are still there, but they're just like, you gotta find them randomly. So I just put them on the. So I do apologize for the links on the previous videos from Acme tool. Anyways, so we got this deal here. So you go to the acmetools.com page. You go click on it now, and then you come up to this the screen here. So you got a 20-volt max brushless cordless 2-tool combo kit including hammer drill for the FlexVolt Advantage. We got the DCK 2100P2 for $3.99. But if you buy this kit, you get a free DeWalt FlexVolt battery. As you guys see, the $149 value. So let's add it to the cart. See how much. All right, as you guys see there, it is $3.99, so you get minus the $149. So definitely check it out. I'll see if I can leave the links down. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.